Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to easily remove any locally installed model from Ollama. Let's get started by heading over to the Start menu, typing in CMD, and opening up the command prompt. To see what we're working with, let's type the base command Ollama and press Enter to pull up all the available commands. Before we delete anything, we need to know exactly what's installed on our system. To do that, type Ollama list and hit Enter. As you can see, we currently have two models installed, Mistral from Mistral AI and Llama 3.2 from Meta. Now, if we want to remove a model, we use the remove command, which is Ollama RM. When using this command, you need to make sure you specify the exact model name. For instance, if you wanted to delete Mistral, you would type Ollama RM Mistral. But if you want to delete a model like Llama, you have to include the specific tag or parameter name as well. In this case, the full name listed is Llama. Let's go ahead and uninstall it now. Type Ollama RM Llama and press Enter. You'll see confirmation right away that it's been deleted. To verify that it's completely gone, let's run the list command one more time by typing Ollama list and hitting Enter. Now only Mistral shows up in the list because Llama 3.2 has been successfully removed, and that is all there is to it. You now know how to quickly remove any model you no longer need in Ollama. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.